To empty your robotic vacuum waste bin, click to remove waste bin, open bin door and empty waste out. Next, to clean your filter, open filter door, remove the HEPA filter and gently brush it with the brush that's included with your RoboVac. Replace the HEPA filter and close the door. Replace back into your RoboVac. To check and clean brushes, press the two plastic clips, pull out roller, and with the tool provided, clean out any entangled string or hair. Replace roller and click in place. Check side brushes for wear and tear and any entanglements. To switch to mopping mode, take out the regular collection box and replace it with the mopping attachment. Fill the mopping attachment to the top with water as shown. It will vacuum just before it mops. The mop is made out of microfibers. And insert it back into the RoboVac. And that's it. As simple as that. Shop your robotic vacuum at www.droneworld.co.za.